That's why I wrote you a letter, cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I just want to hop on and let everyone know that we are fine as a result of Hurricane Dorian. If you're following me on Instagram, I did keep everyone alert of what was happening. At the time, we did lose power on Thursday night at 9 o'clock. We got our power back at 10:30 on Friday morning. So yeah, everybody is fine. I just want to get my mind right, and a better way for me to do that is do some cleaning and get myself in a little bit of a happier spirit. So I just decided to wipe down some surfaces and implement some fall decor. It's nothing major, it's very minimal, but I'm sure somebody might want to see what's going on over here, because there's nosy people in the world, and I know you are one of them. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. It's just going to be indoor decor only, because outdoors is still a little bit in disarray. A tree fell in our backyard. Like I said, we're fine, but I can't do anything outside, including the porch. Everything is quite still messy. I haven't touched anything outside. But like I said, everything you're gonna see is indoors only, and I have to do a part 2 for my outdoor decor. Anyway, let's get into the video.
So I already showed you guys this spray in my last vlog, but this is the first time I'm getting to use it. I'm so excited, and the decor that I also showed you guys in that last vlog will be used in this area and also on the kitchen island.
There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low.
So this is how everything turned out. It's very simple, like I told you guys earlier, but I really needed to consider the fact that my accent wall is very dominant and it's gorgeous, and this does not take away from it at all. Moving on to the kitchen island, I just want to remind you guys of what it looked like before I made any changes.
Stronger.
Okay, so this is the first way that I had it styled, and then I was like, maybe there's a second way I can do this. So this is the second way I have it styled. I really just want to know what you guys think. Do you like style number 1 or you like style number 2? Let me know in the comments. Now moving on to my living room area, this is my current entryway setup. I always use Sprayway glass cleaner to clean all of my mirrors. I don't know if I ever told you guys that. I've been using it for the last 5 years and I love it. But yeah, I'm just gonna remove everything and style this one.
Can't do it anymore. This is not what I was asking for. But you got me here, then you disappeared. Was it always meant to be a dream? No inside. In the middle of the night, you see me fighting, hopelessly sure. story written in my own words. 'Cause you got me here, still I'm prepared to end this war, to close the door, pick up the pieces scattered on the floor. But you got me here, still I'll disappear. Was it always meant to be a dream, knowing inside, in the middle of the night, to see me fighting, hopelessly sure of how I feel. The broken never heal, in the middle of the night, to see me.
Okay, so this is how everything turned out. The little bronze pumpkins, I got them last year from the Dollar Tree. That thanks sign is from the Dollar General, also from last year. And yeah, I just think that it's really cute. I know you couldn't see the candle behind that thanks sign, so this is why I'm giving you this overlook. And it's really low, so I can't really burn it. So I'm gonna actually put it on top of my candle warmer. And yeah, I just love that scent. I do need to re-up on my fall candles, as you all know. Yeah, but it's so cute and thankful it's not my actual Wi-Fi password.
Alright guys, that was everything. Like I said, it was very minimal decor. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our little family over here. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!